In this video, I will show you how to delete a wish list on Amazon. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to find your Amazon wish lists, choose the wish list that you no longer need, and learn how to remove it from your account. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Amazon and tech-based tutorials. Now, to get started, what you want to do is head over to Amazon and log into your account. Once you're logged in, hover over your name in the top right hand corner, and on this drop down menu, you're going to see a section called Your Lists. So from here, what you want to do is click onto the wish list that you want to delete and remove from your account. So what I'm going to do, you can see I've got one here called Tech Tutor's wish list. So I'm going to give it a click to be taken to the wish list page. Now, to delete this, all you need to do once you're on this page is come and click onto the three dots over here and then click onto the option which says Manage List. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and at the very bottom you're going to see an option to delete list. So just simply give that a click. It's going to say, are you sure you want to delete this list? All you want to do at this point is click yes, and what that's going to do, as you can see, is delete that list. We can double check and confirm this by coming back to the top, hovering over our name and making sure the list has been fully deleted. So that is how to delete a wish list on Amazon. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.